Oh yeah. I'm gonna teach you how to make the best fried Caribbean chicken. Ça c'est pour le fruit pour ICM yo.
Oh
That
yeah.
chicken look good. It smell good. First you need to wash your meat. Wash it with some vinegar and salt in hot water. That's how we do it down in the island. Cause you know we cook like island boy. But this food is good though. So we're gonna season it with some wild onion, regular onion. Then we're gonna sprinkle some cilantro, habanero, devil juice, salt on this baby. Then we're gonna add some habanero garlic seasoning, and then a little regular of salt. You want to do that so when you boil that meat, you want the seasoning to penetrate deep inside that meat. So when you fry it, that meat have good seasoning, so tender, so you don't need a long time to marinate the chicken to get to have flavor. You could do it in short term and get nice flavor in there. Then you got some complete seasoning, and then regular hot sauce. That's devil juice hot sauce. We call it green mustard. You're gonna add some to get nice and very elevated flavor. You don't want it spicy, but you want it to be a little hot. So when you eat it, you can feel the flavor, the different flavors in your mouth. When you boil it, now all that seasoning going inside that meat. Look at that. It's going deep in the meat. And the meat. Look at that. And then you fry it, get it nice, crispy, golden brown to make it crispy and tasty. Ooh, look at this goodness. Look at the goodness. Then you're going to plate it. Plate it for the people. Plate it for the people. Plate it. Look at that. You're going to put some nice pickles next to it with some fried plantain and serve it some hot sauce, and you're good to go. Yeah.